Hi. All right, we're going to do these in order now. So I'm going to start with the first one on your recording sheet, which is, should have had these ready, which is macaroni noodles. So I want you to describe the sound the object produces or makes. What sound do these macaroni noodles make? Okay. Pause this video so you can write down your observations. All right. Now you should be back. You should have written down your observations for macaroni noodles. We are now on toothpicks. Ooh, one came out. Did you guys see that? All right. Now listen and describe the sound the object produces. Again, this is toothpicks. Okay. Pause the video, write down your observations for toothpicks. Alrighty, you should have written down your observations now. And we have beans, not jelly beans. On your paper it says jelly beans, but it's actually beans. So you can cross out jelly if you want. So this is beans. Describe the sound that the objects produce. Beans. Okay, go ahead, pause the video, write down your observations. Alrighty, next up we have cotton balls. I know it's hard, but you need to describe the sound that this object produces. Think about what words you can use to describe the sound. All right, pause the video. And we have paper clips. All right, so these are paper clips. Okay, write down the sound that the object produces. And the last one is dice. Write down the sound that the objects produce. This is dice. All right, you can replay this video as many times as you need to write down more observations. After you've written down all of your observations, you can answer the question below, which says, why do the objects make different sounds? Use the features of the objects and the idea of vibrations to explain your answer. All right, good luck, guys, and have fun.